Electronic band gap tutorial. Create a simulation by navigating to the Job Designer page. Then, open the Workflow tab, and choose the band gap workflow by selecting it in the list. After that, navigate to Compute tab, and set Compute configuration. Here, we use one node with 4 cores. Then, set the name for the job. Here, we call it Silicon Band Gap Calculation. Next, save the job. It can then be selected and submitted to the compute queue for execution. The status of the calculation will, accordingly, change from submitted to active. When the job is finished, open it to inspect the final results. The band gap value can be found at the bottom of the results page. Here, we can see the indirect gap, of about 0.6 electron volts, as expected from the generalized gradient approximation in density functional theory. This completes the present tutorial.